Some pass through life quietly, fading like a whisper. But then there are souls like you, my dear younger sister. You leave a mark, a light so bright, a change in everything you touch. Just by being here, you mean so much. You're a piece of my heart walking outside my body, a constant reminder of strength and grace for everybody to see. Watching you grow, a privilege so true. Every dream you chase, every step you pursue, a story of courage, purpose unfolding clear. You're extraordinary, banish every doubt, my dear. As you step into this new season, I send up a prayer for you. May God's hand rest heavily in all that you do. May He open doors no one can shut, lift you when you're weak inside, and fill your heart with peace, where His love will forever reside. Watching you grow, a privilege so true. Every dream you chase, every step you pursue, a story of courage, purpose unfolding clear. You're extraordinary,